This is a quick tutorial on how to create new projects within the bugtracks system. So first of all, let's log in. When you first log in, you're always taken to the list of projects that you as a user have access to. There may be more projects in the system, but it'll only list you the projects that you've been granted by the administrator. To create a new project, if you're an administrator user, you will have access to the administration menu and go to projects. As you can see, it'll list all of the current projects in the system, and there is a new project button at the bottom. So let's create a to-do list. Let's make it simple. This is just a description text here. With the description text, you can add links, you can add notes, you can change the colors, you can change the font size. The point is that on the main projects screen, this description text will always be there, so it's a good place to put people to contact, phone numbers, general information like that. As we're doing a to-do list, there's no current milestone for it, and we want to use the minimal settings rather than the software project settings. The difference between the two. Software project settings has a large number of categories and options available for managing the complexity that tends to come with software projects. Minimal settings has fewer categories. So we'll click OK, and as you can see, my to-do list has now been created. Created by me a very short time ago. So if we go to settings, in here under users, you can see this is the list of all available users in the system, and you'll be able to add or remove them, their access to that particular project. So not everybody has to have access to every project. Notifications. Notifications, when a new issue is created, you can be notified by email, and it can either go to the whole team or it can go to the person it's been assigned to. In the case that you've assigned it to unassigned, then you can also send it to the whole team. You can also do the same when issues are edited, and whatever comments that you've added to an issue will be added to the email that goes out. So right now, let's set them both to just send emails to everybody. Okay, that's been when you make the changes, they're automatically sent to the system. So let's go back to projects. This is still under the administration menu, as you can see. It's still highlighted. Let's go to attributes. Attributes allows us to control the categories that are listed, that we can be assigned to issues, that we can use to search, to sort, etc., etc. So here we have a category called urgent, and we want to change it, so let's call it fuego, or fire, another word for critical. The default, when you create a new issue, the default is always the one that you've selected with a star. So you can move things up and down. So for example, we could move normal to a higher sort order than high, although in reality we want it back where it is. So we can move things around, and you can also delete entries. When you delete an entry, it's never obliterated from the system, so you can always show them and bring them back. So priority status, as this is a to-do list, really we only want open, as in we've yet to complete this task, and then complete. Reasons, we've got a few basic ones. It's a new task on our list. Normal state, need more information, means I'm working on this issue, but I'm stuck waiting on something external. Reopened means I completed this issue and then had to reopen it because I missed something. Complete, that's self-explanatory. Milestones, there aren't any because we're using it as a basic to-do list. Categories, right now we've just added 2, so we've got issue. We want to rename this because it's actually a to-do list, so let's call it to-do. And notes. Because it's a database, you can store any sort of notes that you wish, and they're all searchable from the text search. So areas. Let's see. Let's add some. So we want shopping, things I need to go buy. Let's have medical. If I have an appointment or I need to make an appointment to go see somebody, maybe a chiropractor, or let's add general as the catch-all, and that's it basically. So we now have a brand new to-do list, and if we go to issues, we can assign things, we can create new issues, and the status and all of these, the areas, we have shopping, medical and general, and so basically you can now filter any issues that you choose to add. So that's it for this tutorial.